If you're a nurse, a personal trainer, or a nutritionist, or maybe you're just somebody looking for a career change where you can have a deeper impact on people, I want to ask you something. How many times this week did you give someone advice, a meal plan, a workout, a prescription, and know deep down it wasn't actually going to fix the real issues? You went into this type of work to help people heal, not to manage symptoms or to hand them a cookie cutter plan. And somewhere along the way, you started wondering if there was a better way to do this. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is. Today, I'm talking to you, the nurse practitioner, the personal trainer, the nutritionist, or the person looking to make deeper impact specifically because FDN's Summer Open House isn't just for aspiring health coaches. It's for the practitioners who already have education as well, already have hands on experience with clients, and are looking for the missing piece to their business. The piece that actually lets you get to the root of what's going on with your clients, not just push them harder, feed them better, or medicate them. So let me break it down for you what you'll walk away with when you attend FDN Summer Open House this June. Here's the first thing. You already know how to work hard. You already know your craft. You are already an expert. But most nurses, trainers, and nutritionists aren't missing more education. It's actually a framework that gets you the results no matter what your clients present with. That's what FDN gives you, a repeatable system that you can plug into your education that you already have. You don't have to start over. You're not throwing away your certification, your designation, your degree. You're actually deepening it. Imagine knowing exactly what to do when your client tells you they're not losing weight no matter how clean they eat, when they tell you that they're exhausted even though they're sleeping, when they have gut issues, hormone problems, brain fog, anxiety, whatever it is, and you know something deeper is going on, but you can't touch it. When you come to Summer Open House, you're going to learn what to test, what to look for next, and then what comes next to actually get them to see the results long term. The second thing you're going to walk away with, and this one hits hard. Right now, you are trading time for money. Every shift, every session, every consult. When you stop showing up, the money stops. If you're a nurse, you're burnt out from the hospital floor. If you're a personal trainer, you're tired of hustling for your next client. If you're a nutritionist, you're frustrated that you can only do so much with meal plans alone. If you're looking for a new career entirely, you're ready to do the work that actually means something. At Summer Open House, you're going to hear from practitioners who used to be in the exact shoes that you're in right now. Nurses, trainers, nutritionists, and careers who built something on the side and eventually built something that replaced their income entirely. You can do this as a side income, fitting client work in and around your current job, or you can build it into a full-time practice that finally gives you the time freedom, the financial freedom, and the impact that you've been chasing. And the third thing you're going to walk away with, this is one that really matters the most. You get to actually help people heal, not a 15-minute appointment, not for a 12-week meal plan, not for a workout block, with real long-term solutions that change lives, the kind of work that makes you remember why you got into this field in the first place. Your clients don't need just another plan to follow. They need and they want answers to the problems that are so deep they don't even know what's going on. They want somebody to look at the whole picture and tell them what's actually happening. They want a guide, and you already have the foundation to be that person. FDN gives you the framework to do it. And at Summer Open House is exactly where you find out how it works. So if you're a nurse, a trainer, a nutritionist, or somebody who's just ready for a career change that actually means something, this is month-long event is free and it's for you. Starting June 1st, going all month of June, and you'll hear directly from the practitioners who walked your path and built something better on the other side. The link to register is in the description below. Come and see what's possible. We're saving your seat.